Illinois SNAP Education is excited to be partnering with SIH, the Region 5 Regional Hospital Coordination Center, and all of our local health departments on bringing mobile teaching kitchens to our communities to support nutrition education efforts. We look forward to traveling across the lower 16 counties of Southern Illinois to provide nutrition education efforts in coordination with our local health departments, our food pantries, and many other community organizations.
So this project, mobile kitchen project, came about when SIH conducted its community health needs assessment, and we identified our 3 priority areas. And among the 3, one is to address chronic disease prevention, management, as well as treatment. So within that umbrella, this project is to do nutrition education as well as provide cooking demonstrations to members of our community at local food pantries, farmers markets, as well as other areas, perhaps even schools, wherever individuals are that are SNAP eligible.
Having the mobile kitchen allows our community workers to have an additional opportunity to show cooking skills, our Eat Move Save recipe demos, and hopefully having a further adult reach for our nutrition education. Before having the kitchen cart, we were limited on the types of recipes or demos that we could do on site. Our kitchen cart has a stovetop burner, a toaster oven, blender, grill, a hand washing sink, and a prep sink, as well as a refrigerated cooler, expanding those options that we can have for those demonstration recipes.
Eat, Move, Save.